Here I have INFINIX Hot 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tapping on it, recording starts immediately. Like, you can pause it. By tapping on the red button you can stop it. Like, here you have such a menu. From here you can access screen recording settings. Like, you can record device sound, record microphone sound, you can change image quality, show taps, and enable Do Not Disturb automatically while recording. You can also access these settings just by holding down on this button. From here you can also access recordings folder. Here is our blank recording. From here you can share, favorite, edit it, delete, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.